How's it going, everyone, and welcome to V2 Cloud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can change the RDP port using remote desktop access. Step 1, launch the Registry Editor. Use the Windows key or a shortcut to open the run command, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to the remote desktop registry or RDP TCP. So go to HK local machine, then system. Then current control set. Control, then terminal server, Win stations, and finally RDP TCP. Step 3, change the default RDP port number. Double click on the port number value and change the port to 33091. Click OK to save the changes. Restart your Windows computer or restart RDP services using the command prompt for changes to apply. The command is net stop term service and net. So click enter and you will successfully restart. Step 4, connect to the Windows computer after restarting via RDP and include the new RDP port. Step 5, confirm listening port for RDP-P. Once you have successfully connected to the Windows computer using the new RDP port, you can use the netstat-na find list command to confirm remote desktop service is listening on the new port. Thank you for watching. Make sure to click the bell and subscribe button, and see you next time.